welcome back to my channel, and I'm back with yet another wig review. So this one came from ReadyWig.com, and this is a 16-inch Yaki blunt bob. As you can see, it's blunt cut. The part looks really good, very natural. And I love the lace on it. It's very soft and easy to work with. So yeah, shout out to ReadyWig for sending me this hair. This is really cute, y'all. Really bomb. Back. I just think this is so cute. But yeah, I will insert the clips of me installing this wig, putting it on my head, and yeah, everything else will be linked down in the description box below as always. So this is what the packaging looks like, a cute little box, and inside it came with wig caps and a little spray bottle, a card that tells you how to take care of the wig, and of course the wig. As you can see, it has a deep middle part, and it's like it looks like it's already plucked. You don't have to pluck anything, even the hairline. You don't have to do none of that. Only thing you will have to do is add powder. So I'm just taking alcohol and cleaning around my hairline so my wig will lay down all nice and flat. It has 4 combs and adjustable straps. And it also has lace in the back if you wanted to put it in a ponytail, which I wouldn't because it's just a blunt bob, so yeah. So this is how it's looking. I just wore it tucked behind my ear like this, and the other side just hanging in front of my face. And y'all, this is so freaking cute. I got so many compliments on this wig when I wore it out to the mall. Just showing you guys a close-up shot at the lace. You can't even see it. Like, where's the laces? But as always, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.